I want to talk about Bion's concept of container-contained and its relevance to the theme of not knowing. The container-contained concept is a model that Bion developed as part of the discussion regarding the alpha function and the development of the ability to think. Thinking, in Bion's language, does not refer to the intellect. Thinking is the ability to process the primary contact with reality, with O, and with O's couriers, beta elements, and modify this primary contact to another type of data that is useful and that adapts to the mind. According to Bion, thinking is an interactive action between two components, thoughts and the thinking apparatus, which develops in order to deal with thoughts. Bion suggests that the baby internalizes and develops its capacity to think according to the quality of the interaction it has with the mother or with the person who offers the maternal function. If the baby feels there's a good interaction, that the person contains it, processes its projective identifications and beta elements, and returns them processed, the baby internalizes this function and develops its own thinking apparatus, its thinking machine. But if the quality of the interaction is problematic, the baby will have difficulty thinking its thoughts. That is, its contact with its internal and external reality will deteriorate or be defective. The concept of container-contained is a model that can give birth to other phenomena and is another pillar in Bion's language. It is important to say that it is not that there is a container or a contained. In Bion's language, there are always both, and what matters is the dynamic interaction between them. These two parties also constantly switch roles. The container can become the contained, and vice versa.